Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with a meaningful message. Have you ever dived into a lagoon where stories shimmer across moonlit ripples? By the end, you'll discover a moral you'll never forget. Deep in the Poetic Lagoon glides Cygnus, a swan librarian who shelves water scrolls by the music of waves, his feathers glowing like unwritten pages. Each dawn he dips reed quills into mirrored ink, writing verses that ripple out, letting tadpoles learn syllables as they dance through stanzas. One twilight comes Leora, a firefly painter whose tail glows with shifting palettes. She dots the dusk, guiding nightbirds home with light. Cygnus bows and tells her a precious poem page, the Heartline Verse, blew away on a mischievous gust and has not been seen since. Leora's wings blink in agreement. They vow to find the page, for without it, the lagoon's echoes fade, and every book hums half-formed tunes. They start at the lily stacks, towering pads like emerald bookshelves. Cygnus parts petals while Leora lights up hidden glowing titles. A bubble bursts, revealing a tiny door in a cattail. Behind it hums Ripple, a pebble troubadour who speaks only in soft, vibrating chords. Ripple senses their need and hums a melody. Ripples form letters pointing toward the lagoon's heart, where moonbeams braid into ladders. Guided by the tune, Cygnus and Leora glide past glowing kelp that curls like cursive. Each frond whispers verses missing a final line. Near the heart, water thickens into crystal sheets. Reflected words float above, daring them to read without breaking the silence. Cygnus recites a welcome stanza. The crystal opens, revealing a vault of ripples. But the Heartline Verse is gone. Only silence remains. Leora paints glowing circles to awaken memory. The vault shows a storm sucking pages upward, tethering them to thundercloud shelves. Thunder rumbles and the lagoon spirals, draining into luminous whirlpools as a giant sky-wide library forms above the world. Books float like fish toward cloud arches. Cygnus struggles against the pull, while Leora's glow flickers with both awe and fear. With a splashless leap, the lagoon flips. Water becomes sky, sky becomes deep sea, and gravity turns into a swirling poem. Now swimming through air, they chase drifting volumes. Ripple hums into a bubble that floats him upward, steady and calm. Leora paints a stairway with light. Cygnus climbs toward shelves lined with sodden books, while thunder mumbles unfinished verses. Storm winds howl backward. Pages flap like startled birds. Cygnus listens, trying to hear the heartline melody behind the chaos. Ripple's bubble rises and hums in tune. Raindrops hang mid-air, frozen, forming mirrors that reflect secrets written in lightning. Cygnus finds a mirror with flickering glyphs. The missing verse hides in a glowing ruby raindrop, trembling, close to shattering. Leora zips forward and seals it with a midnight dash. Ripple's bubble surrounds them, protecting the verse from breaking apart. They descend the glowing stair, carrying the scroll drop. Each step realigns broken echoes, stitching scattered verses together. Back where the lagoon once lay, a hollow sky reflects above. Cygnus whispers the rescued line, and water crashes down in waves. Books splash back like dolphins, shelves reform beneath lilies. A soft hush settles, warmer than any storm before. Cygnus opens the scroll drop. Inside shines the lost verse, a promise that echoes heal when carried by friends. He reads aloud and the lagoon bursts with color. Water sings, lilies sparkle, and stars reflect in mirror-still depths. Leora paints spirals across waves. Ripple hums a rolling bass. Cygnus bows, reshelving the Heartline Verse in the crystal vault. They look up. No thunderclouds remain, just soft nebula wisps and golden quiet, carrying stories to distant skies. To celebrate, Cygnus gives Leora a glowing feather. She paints a tiny halo for Ripple, who blinks shyly beneath his stony crown. Moral: true stories shine brightest when friends share their gifts, protect each other's dreams, and mend what storms try to scatter. With a joyful splash, the lagoon rests in peace. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.